Apart from the product and category settings, there are general online store settings on Weblium. With their help, you can manage the visibility of your store pages and search results, data display format, currency, notifications, and more. General settings. Open your site settings and click on the Settings tab in the Your Store section. In the General tab, you can adjust the visibility of store pages and search engines, that is, hide or open them for indexing. This setting will be applied to the product pages, categories, store homepage, but will not affect regular website pages. You can configure products pagination and set the global sorting of products on the category pages, store homepage, and storefront blocks. Global sorting means that on store pages, products will be displayed to buyers according to the settings you chose. Currently, site visitors do not have the option to sort products themselves, but they can change the pagination you set up. You can also enable enhanced e-commerce for specific services below. Data display. Switch to the Data Display tab to choose the currency of your store and select the price display format. In addition to changing the currency and display format of the price, you can also hide trailing zeros in its fractional part. These settings are applied globally to all store pages, as well as to the storefront block. To change the currency display format for product cards, enter the necessary text in the prefix and suffix fields. You can add your own text to display the 4 possible product availability statuses. Product card settings. Open the Product Appearance tab to configure the automatic opening of a cart after adding a product on the store homepage, category pages, and in the storefront and block. You can also customize the ribbon display for products, namely its type and position. Notification about new orders in your online store. You can receive notifications from the store in the form of emails, messages in messengers, and via webhooks. Deleting a store. In the Delete Store tab, you can delete the entire content of your online store without the possibility of restoring its previous appearance. To delete a store, you need to confirm this action by entering the text delete in the appropriate field. After that, all store pages, products, categories, and other elements will be completely removed from the site. You will be able to connect the store again, but you will have to start from scratch.